Why? Yes, people, as you can tell, I've got a jumper on, which means we are unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, we're back in the UK. We're back in the UK, but it's good because it's sunny outside, you see me? And no worry yourself because we soon forward Jamaica again. Yes, so we're just going to do a few episodes in England, link up Ringo Vision, the General, and do the do's and do the maths. You understand? Yeah, so not too long and we reach back to Jamaica. But if you remember into the coffee episode, people, right? If you remember when I picked the beans off of the tree, right? I didn't have time to dry them out. So if you have a look, what I've got here, yeah? I've got the beans that are picked off of the plant that are dried out. Yes, so what we're gonna do today, I also had some footage from the Blue Mountains that I didn't put in the episode, so it's gonna be like a Jamaica episode anyway. The only thing in England you're gonna see is roasting the beans, and we're gonna taste the coffee from the actual beans. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Look at that view. Yeah, man, a mad thing, people, aren't you? Up in the mountains. Look on the whole city down there, it's Kingston, down there. Mad thing. Oi. Yeah. Blue Mountains, people. I don't like heights, man. I've gone near that edge there. That me, I tell you. Oi, people. We're going up into the mountains, man. Well, we're in the mountains now. Look at this. Look at that big rock. Crazy. Yeah. My thing, look at that. This is some rural part of Jamaica. Shadow, where are you carrying me go?
Up in the Blue Mountains.
True. Big up White Shadow. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, YouTube, all them thing there. You see me?
White_Shadow 876 on Instagram.
See it there.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why, yard? Who's McGrill's jerkyard? I got your yard. The beans have dried out now, so we're gonna roast them, and then we're gonna grind it and we're gonna make a cup of coffee. Yeah, man, from the beans that I picked myself from the Blue Mountains. Why? Now, there's not loads, so I'm not gonna put them in the oven. I'm gonna put it on a really low heat and just roast them slowly in this. Because yeah, there's only like, what? You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 beans in there. Isn't it? So 12 beans supposed to give us one cup of coffee. And true, people. Yeah, man. I don't know how long they roasted for. You got to roast them for, but I just by the smell and the amount, I think that's good. So there we go. Yeah, Our first stage was picking them off the tree. Our second stage was drying them out. Our third stage was roasting them. Now, we're gonna let them cool down. Once we let them cool down, we're gonna put them in the blender. And yeah, we're gonna make our cup of coffee. This is really actually exciting. Making a cup of coffee straight from the plant. You can't get better than that. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. As you can see, complete transformation from the berries on the or the beans on the tree. Completely changed now. Yeah. In the grinder. Oi, oi! Oi, oi! It's grinded up. I'll tell you. You see the smell of that? Wow. The smell of that is amazing. Pure coffee, just rich, rich, rich coffee. Yeah. Our own cup of coffee. I reckon we might be able to get 2 out of that, you know, people. It looks like quite a lot there. And there was only a few beans. Oi, let's get this in a cup and let's try this, man. I'm really excited. I picked these beans myself, people. Our own cup of coffee that we picked ourselves. Wow. Right, because when it was roasting, it didn't really smell like coffee beans. The only time it's actually smelled like coffee beans after you roasted it and then blended it up. Now it smells like rich, rich coffee. So let's try it. Yeah, so like 2, so I'll make another cup out of that, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna put in a 1 sugar. Get me kind of like my sugar, people. Yeah, okay. So now we're just gonna put the milk in and test it. Wow, this is an exciting time, people. We have in my hands a cup of coffee that I picked the beans off of the tree, dried them out, brought them all the way from Jamaica to the UK, roasted, grinded up, and now with water and our 1 sugar. Subtle but rich. Yeah, subtle but rich. That definitely tastes completely different. Little bit there, but it's natural. Do you know what? Really nice. And that tastes completely different from the coffee that I had, the 100% blend. Obviously, where this is just natural. Well, I don't know if it's because I've done it myself, but this is really nice. And you know me, people, I don't really like coffee. It's got like a slight little different taste to it. Really nice. There we go, people. A cup of coffee picked by myself. Why? Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why? It's the big up section. Yeah, man, even though the episode was the coffee was made in UK, most of the episode was in Jamaica, like I said. I'm scrimping and scraping for episodes now, people. I'm telling you, mate. I need to book a ticket. You know what I mean? But I'm glad to be back because chilling, you see me? But yeah, big up section, people. So first of all, big up Bob Balkovec. Bob Balkovec. He says, love your energy. I can watch Jamaican videos all day. Heading back to the grill this October and can't wait. The people and the culture is just amazing. Yes, my bro, big up yourself, man. I hope you have a wicked time in the grill. You get me? Full joy yourself. Yeah, man, Jamaica is a nice place. People, them nice. You understand? Yeah, that's why we do what we do. You understand? Cook and vibe. And also, big up Carlito75. Says, food boss is a humble guy. He was happy to have you by the looks of it. Great vibes. And obviously, that was regarding Jamaica Food Boss episode. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go check it out. You understand? Yeah, man, it was a mutual respect, you know, with Food Boss. Like from before, like linking up from time we messaged each other on Instagram, supported each other's channels. You get me? When we reached there, it was just a mutual respect. You get me? Yeah. So it was a good vibes with Jamaica Food Boss. Same way with Sunrise and Ras Kitchen and everybody. Big up the whole connection, the whole team. Big up Ringo, Vision, United, thing set. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Press that notification bell because you don't want to miss nothing. Believe me. Why? See you next time.